Good morning, Warwick.
Good morning, Jill. How are you this morning?
I'm very well. I'm excited. What are we off to do today?
We are going to get one of those whirly things and go up into that white fluffy stuff, except the white.
Everyone's happy? Cool. We'll just fire.
They are currently filling up the Franz and Fox, so they have closed off. The last couple of flights have gone up here to the Shackleton Glacier in the north. There's a really cool spot with an ice lake up there, and you actually get to land right at the glacier, unlike with Franz Fox. It's one of our favourite spots. We really like it, but I know it's not what people have booked.
First and foremost, always follow the instructions of the ground crew and pilot. When you arrive at the hangar, please stay behind the barriers and take the time to ensure jackets are zipped and scarves and hats are secure.
Amazing. This would have to be one of the highlights of my life. First time in a helicopter. This is the Shackleton Glacier. Fox and Joseph were clouded in today. I just want to run and jump off the end of that. It is so cool. Amazing. Just beautiful. Well, that was one amazing trip. That's a trip of a lifetime.
Yeah, screaming around the edges of the mountains, and then of course landing on the glacier. What a huge thrill.
And we were just so high up, like compared to where we would have just flown over the Fox and Franz Joseph, which is at sea level. This was way up in the mountains. That was thrilling.
Yeah, pretty cool, pretty cool. There's a big wide panorama. And there we go, with a helicopter in the background.
Thanks for watching.
What a great day.